Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Do you want to learn how to start freelancing on Facebook as a beginner? Then you have come to the right place. In this video, you will learn how to join Facebook groups and pages for freelancing, how to approach your client, and how to inspire your client to hire you. Now let's see how you can join Facebook freelancing groups and pages according to your skills and interests. There are millions of the pages of the freelancing which can match your skills. You can search it by writing freelancing groups and you will find many groups, so you should join all of them to have more exposure. You can also find such groups specifically with respect to your skills. If you want to work as a content writer, then there are specific groups for them as well. You can find such groups by writing content writing Facebook freelancing groups. As you can see, there are many groups for content writers and you should join all of them to have a more exposure. Some people want to earn money by utilizing their passion as well, such as photographer and digital illustrators. There are many freelancing groups for digital illustrators as well. Digital illustration and photography group can be found easily on Facebook. As you can see, there are many illustrators groups. You can join all of them and can earn money. Next, you should know how to approach your client professionally. Your demonstration of skills will develop trust of your client on you. In order to present yourself as a professional, you should be able to write a cover letter. That must include why are you interested in the job? How did you know about the job? And your past experience. Your past experience should include your experience related to the field. For example, if you want to work as a content writer, then you must be able to show your work related to the content writing. In addition to that, you must also mention the number of the years you have been working in that field. Remember some points that you must consider while writing your cover letter. First, be precise and be specific. Second, you should use the word appropriately. For example, if you are going to work as a content writer, then your grammar, writing style, selection of the appropriate words all matters. In a cover letter, you are basically demonstrating your skills and yourself. Lastly, attach your sample and the resume with your cover letter. Now, in order to avoid being scammed, you should send your cover letter and your sample very wisely. Now, if you want to work as a content writer, then you can use various kinds of the samples. You can write blog posts, articles on the various websites such as medium.com and the LinkedIn. These both websites are very secure to be used. Let's look at the medium.com. This is the medium.com. You can write stories, series and publications on it. Click on the publication button and you will be able to find new publications. You can also publish your own new publication and you can follow other people to learn more. This is LinkedIn. You can also write articles on the LinkedIn as well. Click on the article button and you will find the place where you can write your article and publish it. Here is the preface. You can write your article, you can give headings and the subheadings and can also add the cover and then you can publish. Next, we will learn how to inspire a client with your skills and demonstration skills so that he can hire you. Firstly, you should provide your services at cheaper rate as compared to the other freelancers to make a permanent client. Secondly, you should talk with the client confidently in order to show that you have understood the work completely and you have a complete command on the field. Thirdly, you should also provide the client with some other good services such as unlimited revisions, remain in touch with the client, and briefing the client about the work after the completion. Now we will see what types of work you can do as a content writer to earn money online. You can provide your services as editorial writings, as blog writings, product description writings, CEO content writing, marketing content writing, report writings, feature writings, and much more. You can provide these services by learning each skill separately, and furthermore, you can provide services to the large organizations specifically in USA and UK. If you want to learn about these skills, comment down below. I will make a separate video on each of these skills. That's all for today. Hope you enjoyed it. Like, share and subscribe my channel for more such informative videos.